Hey guys, Sinks here. Welcome to your first Java programming tutorial. And before we start off by writing anything, we first have to get the programs and the actual Java compiler that we need to be able to write in Java and execute programs and such. Hopefully, my goal with this series is to, at least by the end, have you guys have a decent understanding of Java, being able to write your own programs and branch off from there into different fields of coding and different languages. So to start off, you need to open up your web browser, and don't worry, I'll have all the links for these in the description and in the forums channel that I'm going to be putting this in. And this is Oracle, the company who makes the Java. This is their download page, and we need to download first the compiler. So again, I'll link you to this page, but what you want to do is just download this Java platform JDK. I'm not sure what version it is, but this right here, this will have the latest version. So go ahead and download this, hit accept, and find your platform. If you're running Windows 62 or 64-bit, it will be Windows times 64. If you're running 32, it will be times 86. Now I'm running a 64-bit system, so I'm going to download this and install it, and I'll come back once this is installed. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got Java installed on my computer. I hope you do too. So let's continue. The next thing we have to do is open up our command prompt, so hit start, type in CMD and hit enter, which should bring up this window. Now if you type in Java and hit enter, it'll bring up a list of commands, and that should work because we just installed the compiler. However, if we type in Java C, which is supposed to activate the compiler, it says it's an unrecognizable command, and that's because we haven't set up a path for it to go into our files and access the compiler so that our command prompt can access it. So we need to set that up. So you can go ahead and close that and open up your computer, go to your C drive or whatever your main drive is, program files, go down to Java, and you want to double click right here on the JDK. It doesn't matter what version you have, but if you're doing this recently when the tutorial is put up, it should be somewhere around 1.7.09. So double click on that, go into your bin, and on any one of these files, it doesn't matter which one, right click, make sure you right click so you don't open any of them, go down to properties, and this link right here, location, you need to copy that. That's going to be very important. So once you copy it, you can just go ahead and close all that, go back into your start, right click on computer, go to properties, and hit advanced system settings. And you may have an administration window pop up, just hit yes or okay or whatever it is, and this system properties window should come up. And from here you want to click on your environment variables, and right here under variables format, that's me, you need to click new. Under variable name, it's important that you just name it path, just normal path. And variable value, this is where you paste that location of your compiler. And once you've done that, hit OK, and you'll see it'll pop up right here as a new variable. And once you see that, hit OK again, OK, and close out of this, and now you've got your compiler set up. So if you go ahead and open up your command prompt again, type in Java, again, we've got the normal Java commands. CLS, by the way, if you don't know any batch, typing in CLS like this and hitting enter, that clears your screen. But if you type in Java C, now you see we have a bunch of different commands, and that means that our compiler for Java is set up and we can start running programs if we have them. But we don't have that yet, so we need to get Eclipse, which is the preferred, at least in my opinion, the preferred program for writing Java programs. It's essentially a notepad for Java specifically. And again, I'll have this link in the description, but it's just eclipse.org/downloads. And you want to download the first one, Eclipse IED for Java EE developers. And I believe this may only be for Windows. If you're able to find a development environment for Mac, then it should be fine, but this is for Windows. So again, pick which type of system you have. I've got Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to download this. Let's see. I don't think it matters, so I'm just gonna, yep, there. Just click the whatever this is right here for you, depending on what country it is, I'm not sure. And this will download, and it says it's an hour left, so pretty sure that's not true, but I'm going to pause it just in case, and I'll come back once it's downloaded. Okay guys, I'm back. Apparently it did take about an hour to download this. I'm not entirely sure why, because I don't remember doing that last time, but I have already downloaded it. I extracted it to my desktop and moved it into my profile, or my program files. It doesn't necessarily matter where you put it. There's no installer, but once you've got it where you want it, then go ahead and open up the file, or the folder rather, and there is an eclipse.exe file right here. Well, it doesn't say exe, but it's an application. So the one with the was it purple sphere next to it, you want to right click that and just make a shortcut for it, and then you can close that. I'm going to, actually it doesn't matter, I'm going to pin it to my toolbar, delete that, and you're good to go. You've got Eclipse installed, and I'll just open it up real quick to show you what it's like. Opening it for the first time can be kind of confusing, because you've got to make a folder for projects. So in my documents I've got a Java folder, just wherever you want to just make a folder for them, and here it is. Workspace, I'm going to change this, go into my documents if I can find it there, and click on Java, and okay, and now that's my default workspace. So whenever I make a new file or make a new project, or just a simple new class in a project, everything is going to be saved in that folder. And here's the basic user interface. Click File, New. You got all sorts of stuff, but I'll go in more in depth when I actually start getting into coding on how to use this program and how to set everything up for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, got your stuff all set up, and I'll probably have the second tutorial up soon, so stand by for that. Thanks for watching. See you.